folks, JD here, and congratulations to Wakey RC to winning the competition last week. Another competition coming in a little while. Okay, so what's been going on this week? Well, this week, lots have been going on. The weather's been quite changeable, but fortunately I have been able to get out there and fly a few times. Right, what have we got this week? Well, we've got all of this coming this week. So to begin with, we've got a couple of unboxings. We're looking at the brand new MJX X708P. Stay tuned for that one. And we've also got the Parrot Bebop. Now, obviously, that is a shout out to everybody that's ever watched a video. Just quite simply because on a live stream that I was hosting a couple of months ago, everybody said at one particular time, John, get the Parrot Bebop. So I did. So it's taken literally this long to track one down, find one in a great condition, and to buy it. So that's why it's taken quite a while to do that. So I've finally been able to fly it, and here is the result. Unfortunately, the flight itself, we had rain coming in, so I had to make the flight a little bit quick. So we've got 2 full flights there, but I have got to get a couple of other things, so there are going to be a few more flights coming of this in the coming weeks, probably spaced out 1 per week or something like that. So I just wanted to let people know exactly what the background was on that particular quadcopter. So other than that, oh yeah, and we've got the camera unboxing as well. That's quite cool. There's also a test mixed in with that as well, just to save quite a bit of time on having another video. Right then, folks, so that's it. I'm going to start yammering. Hope you all have a great week as well. Hope everything goes well for the rest of today and for the rest of the week. I shall see you very, very shortly. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I should be reviving the live streams very, very soon as well. I'm hoping, unless anything takes a turn for the worse. So until then, my friends, look after yourselves, take care, and happy flying.